Hello! Welcome to another testing video. So this week, or not, last week we got an email from a Chinese manufacturer of Android head units, and they said, would you like us to send you one and you can review it, test it? I said, absolutely, only an idiot would say no. So, here is the said unit. It is an Atoto, or Atoto. I'm not entirely sure how you say it, but. And this one is I wish they would just name things. This is the A6Y2721PB 2G plus 32G. Oh really? Oh okay. They also sent us a rear view camera kit thing, which I will then do a separate video for installing and using the camera, because it's quite a long video. It's also very cold outside and I don't want to play outside. They also sent us the DAB radio attachment, which I thought was nice. I have never had a DAB radio. I've never even used a DAB radio. You know what a strange thing? People complaining about unboxing videos. How am I supposed to get the thing out if there isn't an unboxing video? And I don't mean I'm like doing a super detailed unboxing, like, you know, ooh, look, they've used really nice cardboard and stuff. No, they haven't. That's just a cardboard box. Okay, main loom adapter with, that's the unit, not the end for the head unit, which is very specific, and that is an ISO plug. Not all cars have ISO, but they do have usually their own proprietary connector that you can get an adapter for to turn it into an ISO plug. There's that. Should your car be older than ISO and you want to wire it in yourself manually, they have very nicely provided a head unit plug with all of the wires in the end, so you can run your own wiring. If I was a guessing man, I would guess that's the GPS antenna. I would guess that is the Wi-Fi antenna. Two USB extensions with quick charge, so it says on it. Microphone. It says it's got a built-in microphone unit, and that's an extra microphone if you want to run an external mic. A fascia plate, or fascia, as some would say. What else? Mountain brackets, mountain blanks, black cramps. What? Shut up, David. Screws and mountain plates. Oh, an idiot. A manual, which is really quite interesting. This is the nicest manual I think I've ever had. So I'm looking around trying to see if the old manual from an old head unit is about here. One moment, please. You look, aha! This is the manual for my previous head unit, which is an Eonon. It's barely English. I mean, it's barely even a bad translation. This one's actually nice. It's got actual printed properly. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I won't be reading any of that. That's not. Don't do instructions. Don't do instructions. Screen protectors. Who puts a screen protector on a head unit? Yeah, two screen protectors. What's this? Warranty, instructions, getting online support. Yeah, what about later? Where is the fucking head unit? That's in here. Goodbye box. More box. More stuff. There we go, all the way to the floor. It's wrapped nicely. Where is the front? I do like it when someone's actually bothered to wrap something fairly decently, which they appear to have done. Da, 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 da. Da, da. Da. Come out. Ah, silica gel. Good for something. Okay, here it is. Oh, I also got moaned at for people saying, oh, it's got a good weight to it. This doesn't. This weighs almost nothing, because there's nothing in it. Well, no, nothing in it. You'll also note it's fairly diminutive in size. This is because it does not have a DVD or CD deck. It is deckless. It is digital media only, USB, you know, USB, Bluetooth, Spotify. Who uses CDs and DVDs nowadays? I mean, really? Come on now. Right, that is the head unit. This is our mounting, not mounting. That's the head unit. That's our wiring. All we have to do now is go and fit this into a car. Luckily I have such a car to fit it into. So let us go to the car. Let's go to the car, and I won't show you fitting it because all cars will be different unless you're actually fitting it in a Subaru Impreza WRX STI 2004, 2005. Yours won't be the same as mine, but I can show you working in the car. Welcome to the inside of my Subaru. Now, I've had many head units in here, so I should be fairly adept and fairly quickly at getting this one whipped out. Okay, old head unit finally unplugged. We'll just sit it down. Oh no, we need these side plates. These are the original Subaru side plates that match up with the dashboard. On your doubled-in car, if you've got these plates, you should really try and keep them and find some mounting holes on the head unit. See which of these holes on your head unit line up with the mounting holes on your original side brackets. I'm going to just remove mine just now. So this is my right hand bracket, so I'm going to take it and put it on the right hand side of the new head unit. Okay, I'm just doing a trial fit to see how far back the head unit's going to sit. Don't think that's a million miles away, so let's put the left hand on. Okay, this does have a warning on the top of it. Attention, this model is manufactured in number 2 factory and the power harness is remapped and different from the previous one. Using a wrong power harness will cause the unit to fail to work. Okay, sure. So what have I got? What did I remember to bring? I remembered the two USB extensions with quick charge, which is handy if you've got a new mobile phone that can take, was it like 2 amps of charging power. Now what I'm going to do is bolt these down inside my dashboard. Okay, I've managed to finally fangle my USB connections down the back there. I've got the ISO plugged into the car's ISO and ready for the head unit there. Got the head unit. My 2 side plates that fit the car are attached. I have plugged in the Wi-Fi antenna, which I will leave dangling behind the dashboard, and I have plugged in the GPS antenna, which I will stick to the top of the hinges. I have to say, I did prefer the old GPS antenna, whatever it is, down here, because it had a magnet in it, and it just magnetised to the top of the head unit, inside the car, and got perfect reception. This one's a 3M sticky pad, so I'm going to have to 3M stick it to the top of the head unit. Not a major problem, but a magnet would have been nice. A magnet would have been better. Anyway, they can just get poked in behind the dashboard for the time being. We will plug the power in. Here we go. Tuck it all in there. Forgot to plug USB in. USB goes in there. It can all just sit there just now. Set it in place. Turn the key to position 1. Head unit lights up. Let me zoom you in. And perhaps even adjust the camera slightly. Perhaps, he said, trying to adjust the camera slightly. There, zoom in more. Okay, this should be its first boot. It is. Also, I didn't plug the aerial in. That would have made sense. Okay, first things first. Where do... That looks like settings. Ooh, settings. Wi-Fi. Turn Wi-Fi on. Hopefully we should be near enough to the house for... We do. We'll have Netgear guest. Now we just type us internet without... Connected to the internet. It says connected to no internet. I find that hard to believe. And we now have the internet. So what's the first thing everyone does when they get a new thing? They absolutely go and update all the firmwares. So let us also do the same thing. Checking for updates. We might not. Nope, we have the newest firmware for this. So every other head unit I have ever had that's Android has never ever got a single update. Gets released, there may be bugs, things don't work properly. This Atoto actually claim that they will keep updating your device if they find new bugs and new things to work with. I'm not going to go through all of the settings and things because that would make a very, very long video. If you would like me to make a very, very long video, I will happily make such a video. Leave a comment or question or anything before. Wow, that's fast. That's, yeah. I'm not used to... The other agent I had before was, wow, Jesus wept, that's fast. Sure, carry on. Woo. Does it know where we are? Not yet, it doesn't. Because the GPS is pointed at the floor. Oh, okay. Turn on location. That would be a good idea. Oh no, oh, it's what where we are. You need to know where we are. Oh, I'm going to have to thinking this out so you don't see exactly where I am. GPS test, there's what we're looking for. 3D fix, even though the GPS antenna is pointed at the floor. Oh wow, it's... Ooh, tire pressure monitoring system. We don't have the tire pressure monitoring system, that would be nice. Yeah, I don't think I've ever had a head unit this fast. There's like no delay going between different apps and things. What I'm trying to think of apps that would actually require quick charge. What's quick charge? All right. Blah 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 blah. 1 amps. If you have any comments or questions, or would like to see any more details or any more things about this edit, just leave me a comment or question. I'm quite happy to make a video. I like making videos. I enjoy it. So, thanks for watching.